Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Sologenic and COREUM, the XRPL Powerhouse. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin with the prices of both Sologenic and COREUM at the time of the recording. So, guys, Sologenic is down 2.30% for the day. Okay, so 1.95% for the day. We never know what happens in crypto all of a sudden. Yeah. So if you look at the 7-day chart, though, it is up 2.59% in the last 7 days. The price is $0.1688. Check this out. It went from 0.1624 approximately all the way to 0.175. If you look at the monthly chart, it is up 7.55% for the day. Sorry, for the month. The price went from 13 cents to 17 cents approximately. If you look at the yearly chart, so okay, these are some crucial levels over here, guys. If it breaks out through these resistance lines, I guess it will go on and test its yearly highs, in my opinion, but not financial advice, obviously. But in the grander scheme of things, guys, Sologenic is extremely undervalued. It is down 36.05%. So yeah, these are some great. This is a great entry point in my opinion, guys. You guys can check it out. As far as COREUM is concerned, let us look at COREUM as well. What COREUM has been up to. So yeah, guys, Sologenic and COREUM can be huge going forward, in my opinion. So I had already opened this. This is COREUM's page. So COREUM is down 3.56% for the day. The price is 15 cents approximately. If you look at the 7-day chart, it is down 9.55%. If you look at the monthly chart, it is down 19.31%. Uh, but if you look at the yearly chart, it is down 73.29%. So red all over the place. And as the saying goes, buy when there is blood on the streets. So if that motto or that statement is true, then COREUM is going through a phase of blood, a bloody phase. Even if you look at the all-time chart, guys, it is down 78.71%. So it might prove to be good entry points. Everyone wants to buy low and sell high, but whenever the time comes to buy low, people do not buy low, and they buy whenever a pump happens, and they buy at all-time highs, guys. And then people end up selling a bag on top of them, and I mean, that has happened quite often. But obviously, and it is not necessary that all the projects that we talk about will survive, but we talk about the projects that have good fundamentals or at least a good idea. So we talk about them. So none of it is financial advice, obviously, but anything basically anything can happen in crypto, guys. But COREUM, Sologenic, these are some crucial pieces of the puzzle, and this is why we discuss them. They can be huge. Now check this out. Let me show you guys why. This is the Ripple report Q4 2023 XRP price source post legal win Sologenic booms. Okay, so check this out. The story highlights. XRP won a legal battle against XCC, which led to a 70% increase in its price. If you remember, Solo token became dominant in the XRPL ecosystem, and NFT minting surged 491% QOQ. Now, let me show you where is Sologenic. Yeah, check this out, guys. You guys know that XRP is a brand, Ripple is a brand, and a lot of people hold Ripple. You guys can see the market cap of Ripple, of XRP, even though it was fighting the SEC, the giant SEC, but still its market share, it's still it has kept it is consolidated, and it is basically solid. People are trusting it. It has been top 10 since a long time. So yeah, Sologenic's Solo token emerged as a powerhouse in the XRPL ecosystem. So when Sologenic becomes a powerhouse in the XRPL ecosystem, you cannot take Sologenic for granted, guys. People will pour money into Sologenic because of the association with XRP and its dominance, guys, in the XRPL ecosystem. Check this out. Capturing an impressive 45% of the total market cap of issued currencies. Non-fungible tokens integral to XRPL's core experienced a remarkable 91% quarter-on-quarter surge in mints. XRPL platform witnessed diverse applications with projects like XRP Family NFT and industry leaders like Ducati Motorcycles. So the main point is, guys, the XRPL ecosystem is growing and Sologenic is basically dominating it. And not just dominating, guys, capturing an impressive 45% of the total market cap, guys. XRPL's commitment to innovation. XRPL is going to be huge going forward, in my opinion. The report delves into XRPL's commitment to simplicity and programmability through sidechains. Check this out. COREUM sidechains are also involved. COREUM, an enterprise-grade sidechain focused on security tokenization and interoperability. The EVM sidechain proposal aimed to introduce smart contracts to the XRPL ecosystem. So basically, COREUM is also be associated with the XRPL, and it is its EVM sidechain, basically the integration of hooks, enabling smart contract functionalities and ongoing development in Zhao underscore XRPL's dedication to continuous innovation. Now, check this out. As far as COREUM is concerned, guys, this is written by Mr. Sam Wisdom Raphael, February 2nd, 2024. XRP users to benefit from AMM on COREUM as COREUM plans launch of XRPL bridge, basically, guys. So check this out. This is awesome, guys. COREUM has announced plans to launch its XRPL cross-chain bridge, which could allow users to move assets between COREUM and the XRPL and potentially leverage the AMM on COREUM. So basically, the automated market maker on COREUM, XRPL will leverage that, guys. That is awesome. Bob Ras, the co-founder of COREUM and Sologenic, shared this information in a post on X last night. He disclosed that the XRPL cross-chain bridge from COREUM is on the verge of being operational. Awesome, guys. This development will enable effortless transfers of all issued assets between the two networks. This is the keyword, guys. All issued assets, transfer of all issued assets between the two networks. You guys know that XRPL is primed to be huge in the future. XRP is a brand already, and the transferring of all assets between the two networks can be significant, guys. Not only that, you know that COREUM is already ISO 20022 compliant as well, redefining enterprise blockchain. COREUM adopts the ISO 20022 standard on chain. In isolation, COREUM is scheduled to become a powerhouse, but giving features and XRPL basically leveraging from COREUM is would further its need as well, guys, its functionalities as well. It bears mentioning that COREUM already launched its bridge to the XRPL in the fourth quarter of 2022. However, this bridge only allows the transfer of COREUM tokens from the XRPL to the COREUM blockchain. So there was a bridge in back in fourth quarter of 2022, but that bridge only allowed the COREUM tokens from the transfer of COREUM tokens from the XRPL to the COREUM blockchain. But now, guys, transfer of all issued assets, and as the time progresses, there would be a lot of other functionalities and use cases as well going forward. So check this out. By the end of last year, users had bridged 37 million COREUM, guys. This is awesome. The upcoming development is set to expand this capability by also allowing the bridging of all assets from COREUM to XRPL and vice versa. In a disclosure last December, the Sologenic team teased upcoming advancements to the bridge. Like I told you guys, there are going to be a lot of advancements going forward, guys, including multi-asset support and bigger interoperability capabilities. This is awesome, guys. XRPL users could leverage the COREUM AMM. Sologenic and COREUM are growing, guys. Sologenic and COREUM are growing. Sologenic is also providing different use cases. It has great utility, guys. Sologenic launches SoloNex and CBDC tokenization solutions, integrates fire blocks for institutional custody. So they are targeting institutions, guys. Check this out: the institutional custody and redefining enterprise blockchain. They are targeting enterprises, institutions. Both Sologenic and COREUM have the potential to be huge. They have the potential to become powerhouses. And being associated with XRPL is going to further put eyes on them, guys. Many people are going to be looking at them and scrutinizing them in the future as well. And being a 78.68, sorry, 58 million market cap at the moment, and Sologenic being a merely how much, 68 million, I think it was. Anyways, I think it was 60 something, $70 million market cap is nothing, guys, for what it can do, guys, in the future. So, what do you guys think about Sologenic and COREUM, and and do you think their association with XRPL it would benefit them in the long run or not? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know, guys. So, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well if you're interested. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.